Welcome to Realty Reels, your go-to Aussie channel for property insights and market trends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get closer to your real estate dream. Big news, folks. The Australian property market is officially heating up again. After months of uncertainty, September 2025 has marked a turning point, and investors are diving back in fast. But here's the real question. Where's the smart money going? Which markets are poised to surge next, and which deals are worth jumping on right now? Stick around, because in this video, we're breaking down the top property investment trends and opportunities that could shape the rest of 2025. G'day, welcome back to Realty Reels, your go-to channel for real estate insights that actually make sense. Today, we're unpacking what's driving the new property boom and how you, whether you're a first-time investor or building your next portfolio, can take advantage of the market momentum starting this September. Let's jump straight into it. So, what's behind this sudden surge? Interest rates have finally stabilized, consumer confidence is back, and migration numbers are climbing. More people are chasing fewer homes, and that's fueling fresh demand right across the board, from regional towns to outer metro suburbs. We're also seeing builders returning to projects that were on pause during the past 2 years of uncertainty. That means more supply is coming, but it won't catch up immediately, which is why early movers are in the best position right now. If you've been sitting on the sidelines waiting for a signal, this might be it. Now, let's talk about where the action is. Investors are eyeing southeast Queensland, particularly around Logan, Ipswich, and the northern Gold Coast corridor. These areas are still offering affordable entry points with solid rental yields. Meanwhile, parts of Western Sydney, especially Penrith and Blacktown, are picking up steam again thanks to ongoing infrastructure projects and the upcoming Western Sydney Airport. Down south, regional Victoria and Adelaide's outer suburbs are attracting investors looking for value and stability. The key is to look for suburbs where infrastructure spending is already committed, not just promised, because that's what drives long-term growth. If you're wondering why investors are suddenly excited, look no further than rental demand. Vacancy rates are at record lows, in many areas below 1%. Tenants are competing for properties, pushing rents higher and making yields more attractive again. That's a big shift from last year when rising interest rates scared off a lot of investors. But now, with rent returns climbing, the numbers are stacking up again, even for those with modest borrowing power. So if you've got equity sitting idle, this could be the time to reevaluate and make your money work harder. Let's get practical for a moment. If you're thinking of jumping in, here are a few moves seasoned investors are making right now. Buying below the median in high-growth corridors, where prices are still under the city average, but population growth is strong. Targeting dual-income properties, like granny flats or duplex setups, which help offset mortgage pressure while boosting yield. Looking for renovation potential. Small cosmetic improvements can create instant equity in markets that are already trending upward. And here's the golden rule. Always run your numbers. Just because the market's booming doesn't mean every property is a winner. Stick to fundamentals, location, rental return, and growth potential. Of course, every boom has its risks. If interest rates rise again or inflation kicks back up, some buyers may hesitate. And if too many new developments flood the market at once, prices could level out temporarily. But overall, the fundamentals look strong, especially in areas tied to infrastructure, employment growth, and migration. In short, the market correction phase seems to be over, and we're entering a new cycle of cautious optimism. So, to wrap things up, September 2025 is shaping up as the start of Australia's next property upswing. We've got stabilising rates, tight rental markets, and renewed investor confidence, all pointing towards growth through late 2025 and beyond. If you've been waiting for the right time to buy, this could be your window. But as always, Do your research, talk to your advisors, and buy smart, not emotional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay up to date with the latest Aussie property insights right here on Realty Reels. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.